Behold the Pokemon flavored Oreos. We're going to open these together, one-handed. Oh my gosh, the air, they're sealed. The air is coming out. There goes my chance to sell this on eBay for like a boatload of money in 2030. Okay, well, that looks like a regular Oreo, doesn't it? Only it's not. What kind of Pokemon is this? Crookie? Oh, it's Crookie. Everybody loves Crookie. That's my favorite one. I love that one. Oh, it looks like I kept these too long. They're kind of coming apart here. Got my glass of milk here. I don't know if you can actually see that, but yeah, that's the glass of milk right there. So up next we have Sableye. Oh, I know Sableye. I remember that one. That one's from my generation of games, the Ruby. He has a mega evolution, you know. It's just a regular looking Sableye holding like a ginormous gem that looks like one of these little eyeballs that he's got. His eyes are Sable, you know, they're gems. Yeah, once I'm done, you can have some too. I don't want to hog them or anything. I'm not a... Oh, fudge, what's the... I'm not a Grumpig. Yeah, a Grumpig is a hog. Oh, look at that, we got Squirtle.
Is Grumpig a Pokemon?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's the pig Pokemon. That's why I was...
This is a starter, right? Like, one of them?
No. It evolves from the little... It evolves from Sproink.
Of course, Sproink. Yes.
No, I was trying to think of the pig starter Pokemon, the fire pig starter. Embor, I think its name is. Yep. They claim that there's different ones in each package, so we'll see how many different Pokemon are in mine. There's 16 different ones.